Hey guys, I'm back with another video on journaling. So let's do a journaling together. So before we start, I would like to show my journaling basket. I have kept all the art supplies that I need while journaling in this basket. It has all kinds of stickers, color papers, stencil, wrapping papers, glue stick, Fevicol, and much more. I have kept my small stickers in this Ziploc bag so that I don't misplace them. This is my journaling diary. I have done some art journal in this diary. It's so therapeutic. These are just random journaling. Later on, I decided to do journaling on basis of a topic. This is on the theme Harry Potter, and now this is on the theme mental peace. Today, I have decided to do journaling on aqua theme. Firstly, I'll choose all the pieces that I want to have in my aqua journal. I have a sea theme based design papers. I got them from Amazon. I'll share the link of this in the description. It has all the sea theme based papers, designs, mermaids, and much more. So I'll choose whatever I like to have in my journaling. I'm just thinking to add something different than blue color as well in my old art journal just to balance out the whole page. So here in this sheet I got a cute little blue star, so I think I should add it as well in my art journal. I got these vintage theme based stickers from Amazon. I haven't used them yet and I couldn't find anything to be added in my aqua theme journal as well. Now that I have collected all the pieces that I want to have in this aqua theme journal, I'll just place them in all the areas where I would like to have them. I'll just quickly choose the washi tapes that I would like to have in this journal. Now let's start arranging them. I think I should chop off the mermaid tail a bit so that it can fit in the page more easily. like to show you guys my mini table dustbin. I'll use it to declutter all the page cutout, random stuffs and etc. Now here comes the fun part, which is to arrange all the pieces in this diary so that it can turn out to be a beautiful masterpiece. At the end, I'll just write a quote which says, "Dance with the waves, move with the sea, let the rhythm of the water set your soul free." Unfortunately, the camera didn't focus out there. And this is how my aqua journal looks like. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. We'll meet again next week. Till then, bye bye. Take care.